In this video, we're going to answer the question, how can I multiply a fraction by a whole number? So maybe our question is 3/5 times 4. So we're trying to multiply a fraction by a whole number. One way to do this is by remembering that multiplication is the same as repeated addition. So 3/5 times 4 would be the same as 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5. So when I multiply a number, 3/5 times 4 is the same as 3/5 plus 3/5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I add it that way, I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, so my answer would be 12/5. So that's one way to solve to multiply a fraction by a whole number. You can look at the whole number and know that's how many times you need to add the fraction together. 3/5 times 4 is the same as 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 4 times. Another way to do it is to multiply just the numerator. If I take 3/5 times just the numerator times 4, I'm going to get 12/5. That would give me the same answer. You need to be careful though, if you multiply the numerator and the denominator, you're going to end up with an equivalent fraction. So if I take 3/5 times 4 in the numerator and the denominator, I'm going to get a fraction that's equivalent to 3/5. It's not going to be a fraction that's 4 times bigger than 3/5. So when you multiply a fraction by a whole number, you're multiplying just the numerator. Or if you want to, you can think of it as 4 with a denominator of 1. So it would be 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 1 is 5. So those are the two ways that you can multiply a fraction by a whole number. You can add the fraction together multiple times to be able to do that repeated addition, or you can multiply just the numerator by the whole number, and either of those would be a way to multiply a fraction by a whole number.